Right 6 over small crest, long, tightens, then opens over small crest. Left 6. Left 6, very long over small crest. Crest 30, pass road on right. Caution, right 4 over small crest. Right 4. Opens over crest, tightens into a 4. Now the small crest, 70, right 5 plus, long. Small crest into a right 6. Left 6 plus, 150. Brake, left 3 plus late. Left 3, very long, to late. Small crest 120, left 6 over small crest, into a right 6 plus over small jump. Right 6 tightens, opens, long over crest. Tightens into a 5 over small crest, long. Right 5 plus over small crest, very long. Long small crest 40, into a left. Long small crest 40, left 4 minus, open. Left 4 minus. Okay. Thank you. Left 6 over small crest, into a right 5 plus. Long small crest, into another right 5 plus. Open, long. Then you'll brake 50 into a left 3 plus long. Left 3 plus long. Right 5 plus long. Next, right 6 into a left 5 minus, tightens into a 4. Small crest into a left 6 plus, stay right over small crest, road right. Left 6 over small crest, left 5 short into a right 6. Right 6, right 6. And then we'll have a left 5 plus. Into a right 5 minus, sorry. Into left 6, into right 6 plus. Then we'll have a right 4 plus long, open, road on left. Small crest into a right 6, into a left 6 plus, into another right 6. The right 6 is right there? Yeah, it's a long straight. Right 6. Next, right 6. Small crest into a right 5 plus. Left 6 over small crest into a right 6. Left 5 opens over crest. Then a right 4 plus. Small crest. Into a right 5 over crest, open. Then a left 6 tightens over small crest. Then we'll have a left 4 plus. Over crest into a right 5 minus, downhill. double caution, left 3 plus, double caution. Into a right 4 plus, short, caution, bump. On the next one, too. Alright, 3. Into a left 4, narrow, long, logs on the outside. Over crest, turn left 4 plus. Into turn, right, left 4. And then we'll turn onto a road, right 5 plus, short. Right here. Okay? And then left 5, drop outside. Left 6 long. Right 6 over small crest. Then brake 50 into right 3 plus. Don't cut. Woo! Alright, small crest. And right 6 plus. Stay left over crest. Right 6 down. Left 5 plus. And a right 5 minus. And then a left 6. And then we'll have a right 6 over small crest. Opens long. Okay, into a long crest. Then a left 5 plus over small crest. Right 6 tightens long. Left 6 plus. Then left 5 plus over small crest, long over crest, 50. Left 6 over crest. Left 5 plus over, or left 5 plus long, tighten. And then left 4 plus late, loose. Into a right 6. Alright, right, then over another right 6. Into a left 5 plus over crest. Into a right 5 plus long. Left 5 plus loose. Left 5 minus into a right 5 minus over small crest, long. So I have a left 5 plus, long. Then a left 6. Then a right 5 plus into a left 6 plus. Next, left 6 plus over small crest, loose. Into right 6 plus, 100. And a left 5 sub, left 5 minus, tightens into a 4 plus, over crest, into a right 3 minus, into a left 4 plus. Left 4 plus, over crest, then a right 3 loose, finish.